What's up guys? So today on this video I'm going to show you how to create a trading account to trade binary options. So let's get to it. Welcome back guys. It's Palm from Trading with Palm. So the first step, if you go below this video on my YouTube channel, in the description you're gonna see a link to the trading platform. All right, and when you click that link, it's going to take you to this page. All right, so when you get to this page, make sure you're on registration here, not login, because login, it means you have an account already. All right, and then the first thing you want to do is enter your email address. All right, I'm gonna enter an email address here. All right, okay, and then you want to create a password. Just make sure that your password is pretty strong. Okay, and then below here it says currency, like which currency you want to use when you're trading. All right, in this case I'll leave it at USD. All right, and then confirm that I'm 18 years old or older. All right, and then you go to registration. Okay, now when you get here, it says what account do you want to continue trading on. So if you already have money in your bank account or in your Bitcoin account, you can just go straight up to top up, and then you select which amount you want to start using for trading. If you're a beginner and you still want to practice, just go here and say trading on a demo account. All right, okay, so now this is how the platform looks like. All right, so if you go here at the top, you see that it reflects demo accounts. So when you create an account for the first time, they give you 10,000 for practice purposes. And then here it says get a 30% bonus on your first deposit. That means if you deposit $100, you're gonna start trading with 130. If you deposit 1,000, you're gonna start trading with 1,300. All right, so basically there's no difference actually when you're trading in a demo account and in a live account as far as the way that the market is moving. The only difference is that the account that you're using is demo. You cannot withdraw the money. All right, you just it's just for you to practice so that you know that you're good when it comes to analyzing the markets. All right, so for you to switch from demo to live, you just go here at the top, and then it's going to show you a live account. If there's money in your live account, you just click here and then you start trading live money. Or if you just want to load money into the trading account, into the live account, just go here where it says deposit, and then you deposit money to start trading. All right, so basically that's it guys. And then you would want to check out my video where I explain how to use this trading platform. All right, so love you so much guys. See you on my next video.